Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart savings. We will immediately go over the practical ways to convert your earned rewards and discounts into real value for your purchases, whether online or in store. You will learn the key methods available to every shopper, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to save on your essentials. This guide provides clear, actionable steps for maximizing your benefits, making your shopping experience even more rewarding and efficient. Many products offer Walmart rewards, giving you a percentage back on your purchases. For example, you might see 5% back on a specific category of items, which quickly adds up. These rewards are automatically tracked in your account and become available for future use. When you are ready to check out, simply select the option to apply your available balance, making your groceries and household items more affordable. A Walmart Plus membership offers significant advantages for regular shoppers. Members receive free shipping on eligible orders, eliminating additional costs regardless of the purchase amount. You also get a helpful discount of 10 cents per gallon at over 14,000 participating fuel stations nationwide. These exclusive benefits, alongside early access to sales and special member pricing, significantly amplify your total savings throughout the year, making every trip and order more cost-effective. Walmart is renowned for its everyday low prices, but you can save even more by looking for rollback items. These temporary price drops offer substantial savings on many popular products, so keep an eye out. Always review the weekly ad and utilize the Walmart app to scan items, ensuring you catch every available discount. This proactive approach helps you find the very best deals, maximizing your purchasing power without extra effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.